Hey, Miss Adelaide, what you up to? You want to dance with Mommy? Nope, you want to escape your bouncy seat, don't you? Where are you going? Are you trying to escape? Looks like you're sliding out. I need to put you back in. Yeah. And it looks like your hair bow's also coming off. Want me to fix it? You're sliding down. Oh my goodness. Here, let me put you back in. Alright. Oh, slide up. Okay. All better? Are you all better? Yes. You are too much. You want to finish eating? Is it time to finish eating? Here you go. Ready? Zoom. Here you go.